How to get Bitcoin address in Binance. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to get Bitcoin address in Binance. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Binance and click on deposit button at the top right. From here you have to search Bitcoin in the search bar, and you can also to click on BTC option. Now here you have to click on Bitcoin address. After that, here you have to click on the copy button in front of this address. So here you can see that the Bitcoin address has been copied. Now you can send Bitcoin to this address. In this way you can copy Bitcoin address from Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. In this way you can deposit or withdraw money in Binance.